Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear friend and student, welcome to MR Circle. I am Rehman and I am here to teach you business administration. Today we are going to start the second chapter of financial management, which is firm and the financial markets. In this chapter we will understand the basic structure of financial markets, the financial institution and the financial instrument. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, like and share it with your friends. So let's start the first topic of this chapter, which is basic structure of financial market. Before going to explain the basic structure of financial market, we need to know about the financial market. That what is financial market? The financial market is basically the place where buyer and seller exchange their financial asset, or the place where money and credit are exchanged. In simple word, financial means money and market means market. So financial market is a money created market, or the market where financial resources, credit, stocks are exchanged with two parties. Involved everything has specific role. The main role, primary role of financial market is to bring two parties together. One is buyer and the other is seller. Now let's explain the structure of financial market. That what is the structure of financial market? And structure of financial market, we have three parties. One is saver or lender, the other is borrower, and the third party is financial institution. Now let's explain that who is saver, who is lender, what's the first party of financial market structure. The saver or the lender of financial market party is the person or the organization who have high fund for investment, who have high resources, who have extra resources for investment in banks, for investment in different projects, or their spending of money is less than their income. They have high saving. When this party have high extra funds for investment, they invest it in a bank or give it to some parties as a loan. The second party of financial structure is borrower. The borrower are the person or organization who need money for purchasing inventories, or need money for working expenditure, working capitals, need money for different resources for different. For example, if you need car and you don't have money, you get loan from banks or from your friends, then you become a borrower. When you get loan from banks, you participate in financial market or financial systems. The third party of basic structure of financial market is financial institution. The financial institution or the institution which dealing transaction or play the role of third party between the buyer and the saver and the borrower. It is actually the link between the borrower and the saver, link between the two parties. It accepts deposits, provide loan. The example of financial institution like commercial banks, which accept deposit, provide loan to peoples with an interest, or investment bank, which play the role of intermediary between the two parties. Now, how this structure perform their work, perform their task? When a lender have high money, When a saver or a lender have high money, they invest it in a banks or in different project to earn profit. Then the financial institution provide loan to borrower on interest because the borrower need money for different projects, so they come to banks and get loan from banks. This banks provide loan to borrower with interest. When the borrower earn profit on this loan, they repay it to financial institution, financial banks like commercial banks, different banks. They repay this loan to financial institution with interest. Repay and then the financial institution repay it to saver or a lender with interest. Remember, the interest rate of saver is low than the interest rate of financial institution, because the financial institution also want to earn profit on this loan, on this monies, and the saver provide loan to provide save monies and banks and get low interest, and this way they earn profit. So this is actually the structure of financial market, that how they perform in market, how they perform their different types, how people earn profit, how people perform their needs, how people fulfill their needs. If you have any question regarding today's lecture, ask in the comment section. Inshallah, I will try my best to give answer to your question. And if you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and like and share it with your friends. So take care of yourself and stay with us. Wassalam, Pakistan Zindabad.